Do you have multiple information to update on your web page? Interactive banners and carousel can neatly display your information and grab your visitors' attention. Hi, in this series of tutorials, we are going to step-by-step transform this Opencart page. Simply from the back end. And without coding. Let's get started. Let's add the trending categories heading. First we add a row. Then we add a column within the row. Choose heading for the element content. Type trending categories under title. Add new row for our interactive categories. Then we add a column within the row. Choose the carousel item for the element in this column. Type in the category name to be displayed, for example, desktops. Click Edit under Background Image to choose an image for the first slide. Add in the URL path under Item Link. Once a carousel item is added to the column, only carousel item can be used in the column, so you don't have to worry about messing up your elements. Let's add another carousel item and then check out how it looks like on the web page. Not too bad for our 1-minute effort. Let's see what happens when more carousel items are added. All your categories are now neatly displayed in an interactive and breathtaking view that will attract your visitors. Let's create a new row, but this time we will add 3 columns. Upload our banner images from the Image Manager. Select our banner image. Type in the relevant title and information of your banner. Create 2 more banners using the same process. Impactful and beautiful banners which will grab visitors' attention are now displayed. If you wish to, you may reposition the content of the individual banners. We can easily add more banners using the same process. In the next video, we will explore other features of the Page Builder. The link for the TWK Page Builder extension for Opencart 4 is available in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.